Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Zoho Webinar app. First, download the Zoho Webinar application from your preferred app store, whether it's for your phone or tablet. Once installed, either create a brand new account or simply log in using your existing Zoho credentials. Take a moment to explore the main dashboard. It's where you'll find all your essential tools and settings, making navigation straightforward and user-friendly for everyone. Now, let's schedule your very first webinar. Tap the Schedule Webinar button and fill in crucial details like your event's title, date, and start time. Don't forget to explore the advanced settings, where you can customize registration forms and even add co-organizers to help manage your session. Once everything is set, share the unique webinar link with your intended attendees at least a few days before the event to ensure maximum participation. During your live webinar, keeping your audience engaged is key. Zoho Webinar offers fantastic interactive tools such as live polls, dedicated Q&A sessions, and a real-time chat feature to foster participation. You can easily share your screen to display presentations or documents directly from the application. Remember to record your entire session. This allows attendees to revisit the content and provides a valuable resource for those who couldn't make it live. After your webinar concludes, the work isn't quite over. Zoho Webinar provides detailed analytics, offering insights into attendee engagement, poll responses, and overall session performance. You can easily download the full recording of your event and share it with your audience, extending its reach. Finally, send out personalized follow-up emails to thank everyone for attending and provide any additional resources or information promised during the session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.